Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back. And today we're gonna play Crossy Road, because one of you suggested it. So, yeah, I just picked random characters, so let's just do this. Let's start. Oh, I didn't even click it. Alright, so if you guys don't know what Crossy Road is, like the game, it's cool. It's pretty fun. It's addicting, actually. And it's free on the App Store and on the Android market, whatever you call that one. For the Android, I'm pretty sure it is. Why wouldn't it be? But yeah, sorry about that. Hurry up, I can't even cross. Got a coin. So what am I, a duck? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm a duck, yeah. Definitely a duck. So, this game is addicting, like I said. You guys should try it out. It's funny. Let's go. That's not my high score. My high score is like 100 and something. Come on. Yes. Oh yeah, these are my friends. Let's get all these coins. Run, little ducky, run! Come on. No! No. Let's try again. What am I? A pig? Yep. Yep. I just fell in the water. Okay. What is this? Like a crow or something? YOLO! Come on. We made it. I got ran over. Okay, let's try again. A zombie, or what is this? Pretty sure it's a zombie. It's night too. Just cool. Come on, hurry. I'm dead. Nope. Seriously? Look at my head. Whoa. Come on. Yeah. Am I like a ghost? Hello. A bird? Come on. 49. Go. 50. No. Shane. We can do this. I got squashed. Okay, let's see who we play as next. What is this? Looks like the 90s movie. Let's go. I got squashed. You see, my top is 127, I think it was. I'm a frog. Come on. Okay. So, a fish. Go to the water, fishy. I did what's right. A cow? Okay. Sounds kind of dead. Chill out. Okay. Good, we could do this. $50. No! Ooh. Did you see that? Lily pad. Come on. No! What? What just happened there? Whatever. What am I? Am I like a little pug? I think so. Two trains. No! Alright, let's pick who we want to be. A flea? Yeah, let's be a flea. That's a big flea. No! Let's try one more time. We could do this. We could do this, little flea. It's kind of annoying. Seriously. Alright. Let's pick another character. Let's pick this one. It kills things. What you say? What you say? That's what I thought. A cop? Coming after me? No! I was surrounded. What happens if you go over here? Oh, you can't. Die, little cars. I got squashed. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's just kill. Seriously? Let's just kill things. Kill tree. Does it kill trees? These trees? Yep. So if you get tree. No! Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah. Peace out.